My topic is Benefits of Digital Marketing for Students Career to EXPAIN, and let's go to the topic. Let's start. Benefits of digital marketing for students. There is a huge demand in the industry for skilled digital marketing professionals, but the supply is not quite there. This is where students can bridge this skill gap and carve a career in digital marketing. Even if you are a creative person, an analytical thinker, or both, there's a place for everyone in digital marketing. It is one of the hottest career fields and is opted for by many undergraduate and graduate students. The digital marketing job opportunities for a fresher are very wide, and it offers a lot of scope in terms of professional growth as well. Thus, if you are a student who's looking to kickstart your career in digital marketing, you're absolutely on the right track. Here are ATHE's short-term certification courses in digital marketing. Choose the skills you would like to specialize in and receive training from the industry's finest. Benefits of digital marketing careers. Wondering why digital marketing careers are such a trend in today's digital age? Let's look at the top benefits of having a digital marketing career. 1. No specific background education is required. If you wish to learn digital marketing, you can go ahead and pursue it without worrying about your educational background. Your academic background holds little or no importance. Yes, it might be slightly easier for a marketing student or professional to grasp the principles of digital marketing, but it does not mean it would be a challenge to others. If you're really keen on learning digital marketing, all you have to do is apply yourself and think out of the box. 2. You'll find huge demand for skilled digital marketers. Digital marketing is one of the fastest growing professional fields on earth right now. As organizations continue to undergo digital transformation, we're seeing increased worldwide spending on digital marketing channels that amounts to billions of dollars every year. Globally, digital advertising spending in 2018 totaled $283 billion, a figure that increased to $332 billion by 2021 and is expected to exceed $500 billion by 2024. As organizations continue to invest their cash in digital marketing initiatives, this will translate to more entry-level job opportunities, and more management-level and executive roles in digital marketing. 3. Outrageous demand for digital marketers. Every business is shifting its advertising dollars from conventional marketing methods to digital marketing methods. As a result, companies are on the lookout for digital marketers to help them survive in the market. With the demand outstripping the supply of digital marketers, companies are remunerating them generously. In fact, according to a study conducted by Burning Glass Technologies, 4 out of 10 jobs now need digital marketing skills. 4. High-paying jobs. As we mentioned earlier, digital marketers are in high demand and the supply is low. Keeping this in mind, we all know what happens when the supply of something is low: its value increases. Thus, when you apply for a job as a digital marketer, you can negotiate your remuneration and expect a high salary. Digital marketers can be generalists, or get specialization in specific channels like social media, email marketing, or content marketing, etc. As you know, the demand for digital marketers is growing and there is only limited supply. Keep in mind, if something has a low supply, the demand will grow double in the future. The digital marketers get high remuneration and the salary will increase high with experience over years. 5. You'll find diverse roles to choose from. One great benefit of a career in digital marketing is the tremendous diversity of roles that you can choose from. Whether you're switching to a new role or just getting started in the industry. Depending on your skills, you can choose to target roles such as PPC Specialist, an entry-level specialist role with a focus on creating, managing, and optimizing digital advertising campaigns; SEO Specialist, an entry-level specialist role with a focus on creating and executing organic search campaigns; Digital Marketing Specialist, a generalist role with a focus on executing digital marketing campaigns across multiple marketing channels; Social Media Specialist, an entry-level role that focuses on building brand awareness, engagements, and driving conversions through social channels; A career in digital marketing gives you the freedom to specialize in marketing channels where you can make the most of your existing talents and abilities. 6. Fast-growing industry. The digital marketing industry has been growing at a fast pace because of the benefits we just saw. And despite COVID, it continued to grow as it has helped businesses thrive in difficult times and re-establish themselves. And further, it is projected to grow at a higher pace. The digital marketing industry is growing at a rate of 14%, and statistics predict that it will reach up to 24 to 37% in the upcoming years, as companies are in need of digital marketers for various reasons. They are prominent in creating brand awareness and growing brand value by targeting the right audience in the right place. If your advertising strategies focus more on the target audience, then you are more likely to track better ROI and growth of companies. The job opportunities for digital marketing professionals are increasing with internet users, and so don't fear the job scarcity in this most promising. 7. You'll be well compensated. There's plenty of opportunities to earn great compensation for your work in the world of digital marketing. Entry-level jobs can start at $50,000 to $60,000 in annual salary, and may include health care and other benefits depending on your employer. After gaining a few years of knowledge and experience, you may have the opportunity to move into a management role where you learn $60,000 to $80,000 or more. From there, you could even begin to target the lucrative director of marketing or marketing executive roles. To maximize your salary, most recruiters recommend switching companies every 1 to 2 years. The best part? Switching companies is usually smooth and easy in digital marketing because of the high, and growing, demand for qualified people. 8. Better job security. If you want job security, now is the right time to equip some digital marketing skills. Because digital marketing technologies will only adapt and advance further. Let's consider the current COVID-19 pandemic. It nearly shut every company and industry down. And to survive in this market, what did the companies do? They adapted too. Companies sped up their digital transformation as it is the only way to communicate with their consumers. Some experts have even termed digital careers as a recession-proof career. If you are still thinking about job security, equip yourself with digital marketing skills right now, and reap the benefits. The companies will advance furthermore with digital marketing strategies, and it's more evident in social media marketing during the times of pandemic COVID-19. In times of shutdown, companies wanted to adapt online marketing to uplift their business and sales. They opted for digital transformation to take their brand value to customers and communicate their ideologies. Experts say that a digital career 9. You'll have your choice of employers. Look at some online job boards and you'll find hundreds of postings for job roles related to digital marketing. The annual growth in digital marketing job availability tells us that more and more employers are seeing the value that digital marketing experts can bring to their organizations. The fact that every organization can benefit from digital marketing means that you can work for your favorite ice cream brand, sports apparel retailer, software company, or even for a marketing agency. High demand in the marketplace means more flexibility and job choice for marketers. The career path in the digital marketing field is diverse, and as a beginner, you can choose your interest from various options. You may be a working professional or student. You get opportunities to find your interest and grow by opting for a digital marketing career. You can specialize your skills in any stream, even if you are a web developer, as there are multiple courses available. Choose your career wisely. If you find it's difficult, then take up free trial classes in our leading digital marketing institute in Chennai. As I have mentioned, there are diverse fields to set your career path successful, including digital marketing manager, SEO expert, social media manager, SEM expert, analytics manager. 11. You'll find plenty of upward mobility. Finding upward mobility in traditional industries can be extremely challenging. Companies that have solidified their business models and streamlined processes can operate with lean management, leaving little or no room for internal promotions. But this isn't the case in digital marketing. Because of rapid job growth throughout the industry, There's plenty of room for advancement as organizations expand their digital marketing operations and even create new leadership and executive roles for digital marketing specialists. Starting a digital marketing career today will set you up to take on a leadership role in the next 5 or 10 years, and there will be plenty of companies that need your skill. 12. Entrepreneurship opportunities. If you wish to start your own business and become an entrepreneur, learning digital marketing will definitely benefit you. You can either start your own digital marketing agency or promote your own business. By pursuing digital marketing, you can generate revenue with the most cost-effective promotion by targeting the right audience. You can also track your progress and deduce better strategies with analytical tools. If you don't want to work for a company, but want to venture your own businesses and become a boss, then learning digital marketing is the best option that you can select. By learning digital marketing skills, you can start your own digital agency or do promotions for your business successfully. By learning digital marketing courses, you are more likely to generate sales, and with the right skills target the right audience through cost-effective digital promotions. You have a lot of tools in the marketplace to track your strategies and implement new business strategies using Google Analytics to appear in search engines. Related reads, Facebook's new interface update every digital marketers must know. 13. You can work for yourself. With the skills of a digital marketer and some entrepreneurial spirit, you can skip employment altogether and choose to work for yourself instead. You can launch your own digital brand, products, or services online, market them yourself, and reap all of the rewards. It's plenty of work at first, but it's definitely worth it to see the fruits of your labor. 14.8. Freelance job opportunities. If you know digital marketing through and through, you can start your own freelancing business and offer your digital marketing services to clients. Instead of traveling to work every day, you can work from the comfort of your own home. All you need is a functioning laptop and the internet. Many freelancers have been able to carve out profitable careers for themselves, and if you think you're not the typical office-going person, this is the perfect career option for you. If you're interested in working part-time or as a freelancer, learn digital marketing and offer services at your own pace to clients. As you don't have to travel to work and you can start working in your comfort zone. You will need a laptop and internet connectivity to start your career in digital marketing. If you're not an office-going person, but interested to make a successful career and earn more money at the entry level itself, then digital marketing is the most suitable career. 15. You can leverage your existing skills. One of the awesome benefits you'll find when transitioning to a career in digital marketing is the ability to leverage your existing skills. If you love writing, you can start writing informative blog posts and persuasive ad copy. If you love graphic design, you can apply your skills to create captivating landing pages and attention-grabbing display ads. If you love working with numbers, digital marketing offers plenty of opportunities to excel with effective data analytics. 16. You can explore different sectors. If you wish to switch to a different sector or want to have the freedom to switch, then learning digital marketing is the right step for you. Digital marketing literally applies to every sector in the world. From pharmaceuticals to fashion, from education to service, you name it. The demand for digital marketing remains the same in every sector. Digital marketing will help you efficiently apply yourself and build a lucrative career in every sector. You can easily shift your careers to different sectors by learning digital marketing skills. As every business and company is in need of digital marketers for promotions and increased sales. For example, from pharmacy to fashion retail, every business needs digital marketing strategists. There is always huge demand for digital marketers from education to grocery e-commerce. Therefore, digital marketing helps you to land up the best job with a lucrative salary and growth in your career. 17. You can use your creativity to make an impact. The most satisfying part of a digital marketing career is using your own creativity to make an impact. When you design an advertisement that people really relate to, or write a text ad that connects strongly with your audience, that relationship you've created can be an awesome source of gratification. In addition to connecting with your audiences, You'll also have the opportunity to make a real impact for your business, helping others achieve their persona, business, and financial goals, and support their families. 18. Work in a diverse environment. In the digital marketing industry, you will find yourself surrounded by a set of diverse individuals having a diverse set of skills. By regularly working with a diverse set of people, you will further grow and learn new things from a fresh perspective. In fact, working in a diverse environment will help you increase your productivity and creativity and help you gain a wider range of skills. Hence, you'll grow professionally. Are you someone who likes learning through videos? Do you want to understand what digital marketing is from a top industry leader? Attend this 45-minute free masterclass on digital marketing basics by Mr. Karan Shah, founder and CEO of ATHE, before you delve into the benefits of digital marketing. In the digital marketing work environment, you will work with diverse individuals and diverse skill sets. You get opportunities to meet new people, learn new things from them, and think creatively. By working in diverse environments and diverse communities, you will get more exposure, productivity, and gain many new skills. Therefore you'll grow exponentially by profession and develop skills. 19. You'll be able to work remotely. While it can be enjoyable to share an office space with like-minded individuals, working remotely is usually considered a massive benefit. You'll spend less time commuting to work, get more sleep, save money, and be able to spend more time doing what you care about, pursuing hobbies and side projects, or spending time with friends and family. 20. You can finally achieve work-life balance. Would you be surprised to learn that many working professionals who report high levels of work-life balance are in digital marketing roles? Indeed published a list of the top 25 jobs for work-life balance. Here's a quick rundown of digital marketing or marketing-related jobs that made the list. Number 2, Marketing Assistant. Number 4, Web Designer. Number 9, Content Manager. Number 12, Marketing Manager. Number 14, Creative Manager. Number 15, Data Analyst. Digital marketing jobs typically don't require a lot of overtime, leaving you plenty of time to enjoy the daily pleasures of living. That translates into lower stress and high job satisfaction, two essential ingredients for a happy and successful digital marketing career. 21. Conclusion. Digital marketing is flourishing each day with lots of career opportunities. It's the right time to kickstart your career in digital marketing as the need is in high demand. However, you will need proper guidance and a skillful course structure to become a successful digital marketer. The benefits of a digital marketing course is fruitful for freshers than you can ever imagine. Fortunately, DMC has multiple courses, classroom courses and online courses in the field of digital marketing that meet your expectations. We offer cost-effective courses for students and professionals in our Digital Marketing Courses Institute in Chennai. You will get in-depth instruction, and earn practical experience from our expert trainers. Are you excited to launch your digital marketing career? Get in touch with our admissions team for free guidance sessions and enroll in DMC today. That's all folks. The digital age is here to stay, and as a growing global economy, it is important that we use the opportunities to their fullest potential. We hope this blog on the benefits of digital marketing on various fronts has been an informative read for you. There are so many benefits associated with a career in digital marketing, and we didn't even mention the chances you'll have to collaborate with like-minded people, discover new opportunities by networking with clients, and learn new and exciting things at work every day. If you're excited about launching a digital marketing career for yourself, we'd recommend getting started with our digital marketing course at Directive Institute. With modules in SEO, PPC, CRO, and data analytics, you'll get in-depth instruction, earn practical experience through course exercises, and find out whether a digital marketing career is really right for you. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.